For the second capstone, I chose to write about the threat of wildfires in the boreal forest region of Alaska. When you think of wildfires, we often do not think of Alaska as being at risk for these devastating occurrences. According to the paragraph 1124 of the CSSR article, Arctic Changes and Their Effects on Alaska and the Rest of the United States, there has been increased fire activity in the region. This is mostly due to the shortened snow season and higher temperatures. These conditions are lengthening the season, increasing the risk of severe fires. The warmer, drier conditions make the risk of fires last longer in the fire season. The issue is that there is a vast amount of total soil carbon that is released into the atmosphere during and after these fires. This, along with increased degradation of the permafrost, are the biggest risks. This could then make conditions drier and warmer, thus causing a cycle of risk that can just keep getting worse. According to the Alaska Interagency Wildfire Management Plan, there are several things that can be done to try and manage forest fires better in Alaska. First, we have to recognize that fires are a natural part of the ecosystem and are important to the rejuvenation of the land. However, the interagency report encourages preparedness by pre-planning vulnerable areas to be treated with prescribed fires that are planned and used to burn unnecessary subfloor fuel. One other suggestion was to improve the communication so that fires can be responded to quicker.